Danburite is a relatively rare yet captivating gemstone, admired for its striking clarity and brilliance. It was first discovered in 1839 by the French mineralogist Jean-Baptiste Louis-Romy de Lisle in Danbury, Connecticut, from which it derives its name. Though initially thought to be a variety of gypsum, further studies revealed that Danburite is a distinct mineral, composed of calcium borosilicate. This discovery set the stage for a deeper understanding of the mineral, which would later become sought after in both the jewelry market and the world of metaphysical healing. The mineral's transparent and crystalline nature, combined with its hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale, makes it a remarkable addition to any collection. The origins of Danburite trace back primarily to locations in the United States, with the first known deposits found in Connecticut. Over time, significant deposits were also located in Japan, Mexico, and more recently, in various parts of East Africa. The clarity of the crystal, combined with its rare occurrence in large, gem-quality specimens, makes Danburite a prized find. Though it occurs in a variety of colors, including colorless, pale yellow, and even light pink, its most sought-after form is colorless or light amber. In some regions, Danburite is found in geodes and hydrothermal veins, where it forms as beautiful, prismatic crystals. The gemstone's soft, almost ethereal glow, which is often compared to that of a diamond, contributes to its popularity among gem enthusiasts and collectors alike. Once the gem is mined, the cutting process plays a critical role in bringing out the stone's natural brilliance. The transparent nature of Danburite means that it is often cut with a focus on maximizing light refraction and clarity. Because it is relatively softer than other popular gemstones like diamonds, it requires a careful approach to cutting and polishing. Faceting, when done with precision, results in a stone that exhibits a high level of brilliance and sparkle. Although Danburite is generally less expensive than diamonds, its allure is undeniable, and it is often used in fine jewelry, especially in rings, pendants, and earrings. However, its relative fragility in comparison to harder gemstones means that it requires more care during setting and daily wear. The maintenance of Danburite involves several considerations to preserve its beauty and prevent damage. As a relatively soft gemstone, it is vulnerable to scratches and chips, especially when exposed to harsher environments or contact with other harder materials. To maintain its clarity, it is essential to clean Danburite regularly using mild soap, warm water, and a soft cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals and ultrasonic cleaners that could cause damage to the stone. When not in use, Danburite jewelry should be stored separately in a soft pouch or jewelry box to prevent contact with other items that may cause scratching or abrasions. Additionally, because the gemstone is sensitive to extreme heat and rapid temperature changes, it should be kept away from hot environments and not exposed to direct sunlight for prolonged periods. Danburite's metaphysical properties further add to its allure, as it is believed to have a calming effect and promote emotional healing. In the world of alternative healing, Danburite is often used for its energy-enhancing and soothing qualities. It is said to help clear mental blockages, promote a sense of peace, and encourage spiritual growth. Some people use Danburite for meditation, as it is believed to facilitate connections with higher consciousness and enhance one's intuition. Whether as a beautiful gemstone for collectors or a tool for metaphysical healing, Danburite's multifaceted appeal continues to grow, and its maintenance and care remain essential to preserving its allure for generations to come.